Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Moderna, a company that's at the forefront of mRNA technology and vaccine development. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Moderna reported first quarter 2024 revenues of $167 million, a significant decline from the same period last year, primarily due to reduced COVID-19 vaccine sales. The company posted a GAAP net loss of $1.2 billion and a diluted EPS of 3.07. Despite the financial downturn, Moderna is preparing for the launch of its RSV vaccine and new Spikevax formula, reaffirming its 2024 product sales outlook of approximately $4 billion. The company also advanced several vaccine programs and initiated new clinical studies in oncology.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the first quarter of 2024 was $167 million compared to $1.9 billion in the same period last year, representing a 91% decline. The decline was primarily due to reduced sales of the company's COVID-19 vaccine.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The major business segment, COVID-19 vaccines, Spikevax, reported $167 million in sales for the first quarter of 2024, which includes $100 million of U.S. sales and $67 million of international sales. This represents a significant decline from the previous year due to the transition to a seasonal COVID-19 vaccine market.
Are there any emerging segments that are gaining traction?
Emerging segments gaining traction include the RSV vaccine and new vaccine programs for Epstein-Barr virus, varicella-zoster virus, and norovirus, which are advancing toward Phase 3 clinical trials.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheets include cash and cash equivalents, $2.51 billion as of March 31, 2024. Investments, $6.472 billion as of March 31, 2024. Total assets, $16.729 billion as of March 31, 2024. Total liabilities, $3.912 billion as of March 31, 2024. Total stockholders' equity, $12.817 billion as of March 31, 2024.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points of the cash flow statements include net cash used in operating activities, $989 million for the first quarter of 2024. Net cash provided by investing activities, $118 million for the first quarter of 2024. Net cash provided by financing activities, $14 million for the first quarter of 2024.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities include operating activities. Net cash used in operating activities was $989 million, primarily due to research and development expenses and operating activities. Investing activities. Net cash provided by investing activities was $118 million, driven by proceeds from maturities and sales of marketable securities. Financing activities. Net cash provided by financing activities was $14 million, primarily from the issuance of common stock through equity plans.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter include preparation for the launch of the RSV vaccine and Spikevax 2024-2025 formula, advancement of new vaccine programs for Epstein-Barr virus, varicella-zoster virus, and norovirus toward phase 3 clinical trials, initiation of new clinical studies in oncology in partnership with Merck, collaboration with OpenAI to advance mRNA medicine using generative AI, development and commercialization funding agreement with Blackstone Life Sciences for up to $750 million to advance Moderna's flu program.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company reaffirms its 2024 expected revenue of approximately $4 billion from its respiratory franchise and expects approximately $0.3 billion in net sales in the first half of the year, reflecting the seasonality of the respiratory business. Cost of sales is expected to be approximately 35% of product sales for the year.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
Full year 2024 research and development expenses are anticipated to be approximately $4.5 billion. Selling, general, and administrative expenses for 2024 are projected to be approximately $1.3 billion. Capital expenditures for 2024 are expected to be approximately $0.9 billion. Year-end cash and investments for 2024 are projected to be approximately $9 billion.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Despite a significant decline in revenue and a substantial net loss for the first quarter of 2024, Moderna is strategically positioning itself for future growth with the launch of new vaccines and advancements in its pipeline. The company is reaffirming its 2024 product sales outlook and continues to invest in research and development, indicating a strong focus on long-term growth and innovation.
That's all for today's analysis of Moderna's first quarter 2024 financial results and strategic updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stockwatch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Moderna's strategic initiatives will pay off in the long run. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.